Hello, my name is Valentino Hernando Sama Matakena. I am accounting major. My NIM number is 211-419-0012. Today, my topic is how to do research. The number one is introduction. To carrying out a research project in the social science will almost invariably involve the researcher in significant amount of reading, particularly if they are not already well read in their subject area. The work and skills associated with reading for research, how to read, what to read, how to make sense of your reading can be a major worry barrier for the relative inexperience. The chapter consists of why read, the importance of reading for research, coping with the research literature, dealing with the volume and the variety of reading available. The three is the basic reading strategies is going on what and where to read. The next is the using berries, how to get the best out of them. The next is the using the internet, navigating the universe information. The next is the good now reading how to read. The next is the reading about method as well as subject. The importance of understanding and exploring the research approach and technique. The next is a recording why is your reading being meticulous. The next is the literary review how to put it together. The next is issue reading problem with too much or too little letter. The next section is the two why read. It is possible to carry out research without engaging in much direct in reading, though it would be unusual to do so without any new reading. This may happen, for example, where the constraint on the time available do not allow for much reading, or where the method and context are familiar, where the resources involved are being employed simply to administer questionnaires or carry out interview for someone else. We would argue strongly, however, especially where the research has an academic connection, that it is highly desirable. Your research project needs to be informed and stimulated by your developing knowledge as you carry out. The There are 10 reasons why you should read and research. The number one is it will give you ideas. The number two is you need to understand what other researchers have done in your area. The number three is to broaden your perspective and set your work in context. The number four is direct personal experience can never be enough. The number five is to legitimate your argument. The number six is it may cause you to change on your mind. The number seven is writers, and you will be the one need readers. The number eight is so that you can effectively critique what others have done. The number nine is to learn more about research method and their application in practice. The 10 is in order to spot areas which have not been researched. As you can see from 10 this section is you may be able to add other as well. You should see, however, that mix from positive and negative reason is given. You may need to read on other contextualists on what you do or to impress your own readers with your knowledge of literature. From above, the chapter also suggests two important points about reading for researcher. This is not just only read essential, but you need to read this from different another view. The coping research literature the stage at the beginning of your research in order to check what other research has been done to focus your ideas, shape your hypothesis, and explore the context of for your project. The next is during your research to keep you interested up to date with development to help you better understand the methods you are using, the fields you are searching, and as a source of data. The next is after you research to see what impact your own work has had and to help you develop ideas for further research project. The purpose is account research on similar topic to your own. The next is the account of research methods being applied in ways which are similar to on your plans. The next is accounts of the context are relating to your project. The next is to protect against duplication and enrich your argument. The number three is, and the next we got a new section is the three, coping with the research literature. To novice researcher, it can seem like there is so much that needs reading, and that's so difficult to get on top to make sense. It more experienced researcher, you may not to be relieved to know can have much concern and same concern. You may be concerned about the volume literature, the amount of material written on the most subject is already held and expanding and at an ever increasing rate. How does research get to grip with this? The next is the variety of literature. There are so many kind of literature. Example, textbook, journals, magazine, newspaper, policy document, academic papers, conference papers, internet material, report, novels, etc., which may be relevant. How does the social use this range of sorts? Lack of boundaries. Unless a project is very tightly defined, it may be impossible to judge which area of the literature are relevant. How does researcher avoiding leading too widely or aimless? The next is conflicting argument. As soon as start reading, you are likely to be confronted by different opinion, argument, and interpretation. It may seem that not a two writers agreed about the most basic issue. How does the researcher assess this argument and place themselves within them? If you aware this issue, aren't sure where to reading the research literature or what to do in next, try reading the first chapter. If you find this exercise relatively easy to do, you may need to read this chapter in detail. If you are having trouble, don't despair. There is a lot of useful advice in the rest of this chapter. Whatever you don't do worry too much. Do not do it all once, but gradually. If you can give yourself some time, especially at the beginning of your project, get confused and fascinated by the scope and variety of available literature. Um, the next is the basic reading strategy: where to read, what to read, whom to read, and how to find what you read. Okay, we get to the new section is for where to read. An obvious reading place is like a library, especially if you are doing a research project in an academic setting. Library, of course, come in many forms. They can be broad or specialist, research, general, or academic function. For reference only or available before borrowing. This last distinction highlights at critical point, namely access, where the public libraries are available to everyone, and university libraries typically allow access to all bona fide researchers. Some may impose loan assistance or charge fees. Another official place to read right now is on your computer. Making use of some the material available over the internet. Compare the library, the material on internet is much more variety in quality and complete. You, of course, have an internet connection. With this access is easy, even though the access price is expensive. In addition, the following sources, there are many other places that you can read, like a bookstore. Bookstores are encouraged to list research for this day and age. bookstore have the advantage of the keeping their book up to date, but may be limited depending on the certain material. Okay, we get to the next section is 5. What to read? The answer to the question what to read is to read as much as possible. This can be find different view and form of presentation in various types of writing that may suit to topic you want to work on. This may be some you should read as follow. The one is book, the 2 is journal, the 3 is reports, the 4 is popular media, the 5 is computer-based material, the 6 is memo, minutes, internal report, and 7 is letter or diaries. In using these different kinds of written source, it will be useful to bear in mind a number of other distinctions between type of material for reading. The first is published and unpublished literature. The 2 is contemporary and classic works. The next is introductory and overview text. The next is the edit collection and literature review. The next is methodological and conventional accounts. So we get to the next section is 6, whom to read. Faced with a bookshelf containing 20 or 30 books on the same topic or dozen of journal, it can be very difficult to decide where to start. You can select one volume at random. In doing so, it's important to know who you are reading to, where they are coming from, what an authorized voice they have, and what their motivation for writing are. In part, your goal should be to read perspective, explore the founding mind of big names of your field and diversity of your opinion. Okay, the next is number 7. The new section again is how to find what you need to read. If you are a sister tackling an unfamiliar field of the study for the first time, you need to be able to get a grip with the relevant literature as quick as possible. On this session, you will see about a good enough reading is. The number 1 is take advice from a variable source, your supervisor, manager, fellow researcher, or student. The 2 is locate book, journal, or other material that appear relevant by asking advice, browsing around, or using a very category or internet search engine to see the following 2 sections on using the library and using internet to provide advice. You will find that keyword searcher can be particularly useful. The 3 is once you have identified a relevant self or internet location, look at other material there which are relevant of your topic. The 4 is once you individuate your relevant journal in a print or online, look through recent issue to find the most up-to-date writing on your topic. The number 5 is read outwards your original source by following up interesting working reference. The number 6 is the identify the key text by noting these are the read to again and again. Make sure that you read the most popular or relevant of these 6 of the latest edition. The 7 is as you develop of feeling the literature relevant of to your field, try to ensure that you have some understanding and have done some reading within it different ideas. The 8 is use time to research you have available to do as much pertinent reading too much possible. Next is too much or too little information. Finding too many research. Try to link your research by using and to combine terms, social and exclusion. Use press searching, connect terms using underscore example, social exclusion. Use the advanced option and restrict your research to a section of the record. Example is a title. Exclude or press by using not. And not is and will automatically can be used to connect terms unless you type in a connector. Example, if you type social exclusion, the result will be social and exclusion. But if you type social not exclusion, and then n will be overridden. Not finding in record. Try browsing search by using OR to combine term. Example for our line. The next is pushing truncation time. Type the stem of the word followed by asterisk to find other ending. Example, econ will retrieve economy, economic, economist. Example, be careful, however, as a truncation can retrieve unwanted result. Example, car will find cars but will also retrieve connection and connect. Okay, this is my conclusion is, so I think we have to be a good at taking steps so we don't experience mistake in doing in this search activity. Thank you. This is my presentation. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you.